Sabi nila, dapat enjoy natin ang college life dahil hindi lahat ay nararanasan ito. Hi, I am Julie Escobiles, third year college student, taking Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, and this is my college life. College is often a completely new setting, and adjusting to it can take time. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will be footprint in your heart. This is me, a college student who take care of her study. Loves are hobbies are playing mobile games like ML and COD. Loves her family and her boyfriend. To love others, you must first love yourself. Loving yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for loving others genuinely and profoundly. That's why I love being a